What's up, guys? It's me again with another GMC 1500 video. This is a 2026 Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate with a 3.0 diesel in it. This is the Baby Duramax. We're doing the 4-inch BDS lift kit today. This is a great lift kit for the Denali Ultimate because it has the electronic suspension. It has the Super Cruise, all the things that you don't want to lose with this truck. You can still utilize all of it with a BDS lift kit. We're also going to be coming in with a 35-inch or 295, 55, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. It's a metric size that fits the factory wheel really nicely on these trucks. We're going to be doing that with a mud flap delete kit. This is going to be a very, very nice truck when it's done. Minor trimming to make everything clear. The truck will function the way it's supposed to after it's done. So I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. Here's our beautiful truck, 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. This truck has, I think, 15,000 miles on it. It's fairly new. Looks brand new on the inside still. This wasn't my sale. This was a sale that Leo up here did, and I know that the customer is from Ohio. I checked the area code. I wanted to say I appreciated him for driving this far. This is a quite a distance. I'm not really sure how far northern Ohio is from here, but has to be 10, 12 hours, I would guess. The truck's going to be amazing, though, when it's done. I hope he's impressed with it. We're going to do, like I said, that 35-inch Nitto. It's really going to fill the fender well out on this truck. And the height is going to be way, way better on it. It's going to look more like a 2500, or, you know, if that makes any sense. This truck does have a camper top on it. It might be my first video with the camper top. This is a Lear. It's pretty nice on there. I guess if you're working out of the truck and stuff, maybe he's a lineman. If you're working out of the truck, keep all your tools dry and safe. Makes sense to me. We're about to get it pulled in right now and get it started. Stay tuned for the process. Ready to go. This 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate is phenomenal now. It looks great with this 4-inch BDS lift kit on it. Has 295, 55, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. They're 35-inch tall metric tires that fit really nicely on the factory 22-inch GMC wheels. The truck looks great. It's about to head back to Ohio now. I'm about to give it back to the customer here in just a few minutes, so I'm going to get out and show you what we ended up with. This is our gorgeous 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate 4-inch BDS lift kit, 35-inch tires. Couldn't ask for a better turnout. This looks amazing. We went ahead and did the mud flap deletes on this truck as well to make everything clear. That 35-inch tire on the 4-inch lift is very, very tight. We do round off the bottom of the plastic on the bumper right here, and then we put the mud flap delete and we trim a little bit there. Looks amazing in there though. It's hard to tell it from the side or from the front and back. Almost looks factory still. The 4-inch BDS is unmatched in quality. Looks amazing on the truck. Very subtle under there. You don't really see it unless you're looking for it. Axle angles are amazing. Next to perfect. It's like flat, 0 degrees. That's what you want. The magnetic ride control, electric shocks still work with this. The arc suspension. The Super Cruise still works. Everything is functional the way it should be. There's BDS's upper control arm. This is their strut spacer. This is what makes the electric shocks still work. Everything works out fine because they are the stock shocks still. This is a ride height sensor from GM right here. Everything still lines up the same as it did. The truck kind of gets tricked into thinking that it's still stock height and nothing has changed. The ride is improved. The looks are improved. I definitely recommend this to anybody that has one of these trucks. This fits every one of the new ones, all the way from 2026 all the way to 2019. This kit will work. It's really, really nice. If you guys have any questions about this, or we want to get another price on something, just call me. My number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. If you are interested in an exact quote on this truck, I'm going to put a quote right after this clip so you can see exactly what this one would cost. Wanted to say I appreciate everybody watching and all the customers that are bringing the trucks. Have a good one.